Hello friends, today I'm doing an Ellie unboxing. So I've got two outfits here. One is my regular monthly subscription outfit, and then the other is I just bought some stuff off the past outfits. They do that, and they also have sales sometimes for past outfits. I guess if you're not familiar with the service, it's a service for athletic wear. So basically once a month you get sent an outfit, and it's usually a bottom, a sports bra, and then some sort of top, and all that for I think $45 a month. You get all of that, and I think it's just a really great deal. I've gotten a lot of workout gear, way too much workout gear from it, but I've been really happy with the pieces that I've gotten. I feel like the leggings I got at the beginning of trying the service were kind of a little lacking in compression, and I felt like maybe you could see a little bit of jelly, but the ones that I've gotten in the past few I've been incredibly happy with. So I'm interested to see where these fall. And then the way the service works is essentially you get notified at the beginning of each month that the outfits are ready, and you can either stick with the collection that you had last time. It's basically like a themed. So if you don't choose one, it'll just automatically do the same collection that you had last month, or you can change your collection and get something different. So, or you can skip a month. So I've skipped a lot of months recently, but they have had I wanted some shorts. So I decided to get an outfit this time so I could get some shorts. Like I said, they have sales for you to buy from past collections. And here's the sports bra, just a nice black sports bra. I've been incredibly happy with the sports bras, for the record. Really nice. This is by Marika. That's a common, that and Bally are kind of your main sports bra and legging sources. Then we have just this tank here, a nice flowy white tank, and it's got kind of this mesh, so very, very breathable. So this will definitely get used in the summer, maybe even today. My husband and I are going on a walk here very soon. And then these are why I ordered it, because I wanted some shorts, and they have pockets in them, so they're basically like, you know, a legging type thing, but they're shorts. They look really high-waisted. This is by Zabha, so I'm not actually familiar with that brand, and it does have pockets on the side, so I always really like to have pockets for phone or a rag or something like that. Really like these, and we'll see how they look like they're maternity, but they're not. Happy with those, and like I said, they'll probably get used very soon here. So that was my monthly outfit, and then I bought a past outfit, so let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so the bra is Marika again, very similar to the black one that I just pulled out, green. I like that it's a longer type that feel nice and secure in it. All these sports bras come with cups in them, so I like that just because sports bras can mash you down, and it's just nice to have a little something, something. Then we have, oh, this is nice. I really like this green tank here. This is, again, Balance Collection, a little bit of mesh on the back, and just seems really nice quality. I like this a lot. You know, and what's great is these pieces, you don't have to be working out to wear them. You can just wear them because you want to wear them. And these leggings are why I ordered this collection in the first place, because I saw a girl at the gym with some camo leggings, and they were cute. So here we go, some camo leggings, and these will be worn in a very athleisure way. This is by Bally Total Fitness, I think. Yeah. And there we go. Nice thick feel to it. I think I'm going to be happy. I think what I like is the more polyester type leggings, because I feel like they hide imperfections more. So very happy with these, because I think these are gonna be good. These are gonna be real good. So there we go. Those are my two outfits. So let's go ahead and try these on. Okay, first up we have the shorts outfit. And I've worn these shorts, well, today for gardening, out gardening. I wore these shorts all day. and they're just, you know, a comfortable short. They keep things in place, they keep things covered. They do ride up a little bit, so that's the downside, is I did find myself kind of pulling down on them a little bit because I did actually run errands in them. So, but I like them. I definitely will wear them as we go on long walks and work out in some warm weather. The tank, it's just a good, light, airy workout tank. Again, I really like the strapless bras that they sent. Great quality. Got cups in it, so because I always like a little bit of support. So really happy with this first outfit. Okay, next one. Okay, next outfit. It is this, I just really like a camo legging. I just think that's really cute. It is a little bit long, which I knew when I ordered them, I knew it would be a smidge long, but I decided to go for it anyways, and I don't really mind. The tank is great fitting. This one's extra small. The last tank was a small, so the last one was a little bit big, but this one fits great, so I'm really happy with that. Sports bra fits great. So like my little ensemble, I've already worn it out for a long walk and had no issues with it. The leggings I did get in an extra small, and I would say they're too small. This has happened to me a few times where I've ordered the extra smalls because I wanted to try it and they're too small. So I don't know why I keep ordering them. That's my bad. So for me, I'm better in a small. As I'm pulling these up, you can hear kind of seams busting, so that's not great. But other than that, I really like these. Great compression. I feel like the leggings I got at the beginning of the service when I started this sometime last year, and the ones I'm getting now, I'm much happier with the ones I am getting now. So that's just my personal preference. You guys might have a different opinion. Let's do a very quick wrap up now. Okay, so those were my 2 outfits. Hopefully you enjoy this. I can't say enough about the service. Like I said, I feel like I like the leggings more than I used to. I like getting whole outfits because I don't even think about it. I just know that this is an outfit and I grab it and I wear the entire thing. I like that I got to try some shorts that were kind of legging-ish type shorts. I actually have another outfit coming soon where they're kind of looser shorts. I think maybe they're camo too. And so I'm excited to share that with you guys once I get it. But I have found this service to be very much worth it. Really happy with what I'm getting and the fact that it is so affordable. And I will have the details below in case you missed it at the beginning, or if I missed it, I can't even remember if I gave the details. So if not, it will be below in the description. So, okay, there it is. I do believe that is it. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then please do so. Below somewhere there's a button. Click that button, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post. And hopefully next time my bangs will be shorter because I do have a hair appointment tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. All right, bye.